What's up, guys? Lee here. Quick video this morning. This is just on read receipts. So most people, when they put in quotes, they're shopping around. So it's important that your quotes are prompt. I get to them quickly. But your quotes won't be prompt if your emails are heading to their junk folders. So a way around that is to put read receipts on your quotes. So I know the program that I use is Wave Accounting or Wave Apps. And basically, once you send a quote email to them, it's through a link through the Wave program. So once they click into it, it sends you a notification. That way, you know the client has viewed your quote. So if in that case, if the client has not viewed my quote within by the next business day, I take another step. So I take the quote and I'll send it to them through another method. Either I'll give them a phone call or I will send it through text message. This way it ensures that the client did see your quote, because you want them to see it first. Clients seem to respond more positively to someone who's sending a quote quickly. So yeah, that's what I do. I think that this is very important, so I thought I'd just jump on video quick and talk about it. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.